Hi guys, so today's video you would need a tape measure, double-sided tape. You can see it holds 20 pounds, screwdriver. We're not going to need these reinforcers because that's the whole point of the hack, scotch tape, and scissor. Hi guys, so we're going to use this tape to measure the wall and to make sure that everything is mounted correctly, and we're going to use the double-sided scotch tape and screwdriver. Now with the just dropped my screw, and don't forget the mounting brackets. You could get these mounting brackets at Home Depot. Those brackets are $12.97 for two. I think that's the most expensive part of mounting these shelves or purchasing the shelves, because the shelves are they are $7.98 each, which isn't bad. I thought they would have been about $10 to $15 each, but I think that's a good deal at Home Depot. I will place the link below, but let's go ahead and mount these shelves. Now you see I used the tape to hold the scotch tape to hold the measuring tape to the wall so I could measure and make sure everything is mounted straight. So let's get into mounting these shelves. As you guys will see, I will not be using these reinforcers. That's the whole point of the hack. I'm going to use the double-sided mounting tape. They hold 20 pounds, and that should be sufficient for the shelf, because the shelves themselves, they hold about 44 pounds, and that's more than enough to store any items that you might need for the bathroom. As you will see here guys, I'm cutting the double-sided tape to place it behind the mounting brackets. That will give it the reinforcement that it will need, so you don't have to put it, you know, because with those white plastic reinforcers, you need to put quite a good size hole in your wall, and I don't want to put a hole in my wall, so I decided to use these double-sided tape, which will give it sufficient hole. They hold 20 pounds. So don't forget to, whenever you put the tape on, to hold it for 60 seconds. I didn't show that part, and I did hold it for 60 seconds. Okay? So don't forget to hold it for 60 seconds. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that these shelves are adjustable. You screw under the bottom, so you could either make it closer or wider. So I would suggest getting adjustable mountain brackets, so you could use you know, any side, well, not any side shelf, but a shelf that you might like, and it might be a little bit thicker than you anticipated. So at least with the brackets you'll be able to adjust. So guys, we're wrapping this up. As you can see, I'm showing you how to mount it in the back. This is for the top shelf, and then you're gonna mount it on the wall. You don't screw it all the way in, as you can see. But we're about to wrap it up, and you're gonna see the final results of the mountain shelves. Hey guys, so here you go. This is the final look of the mountain shelves. I'm gonna have to get a razor blade to cut off those edges. I'll clean it up a little bit more because I'm gonna do another video on my luxury bathroom update. So this will be the first part of it, and then the second part will be the luxury bathroom update. So I hope you enjoy my video. If you like, please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.